Howdy folks, here sits in front of you a 2024 Road Glide Billiard Gray with a chrome trim package. I've got the Milwaukee 8117 for a power source there. Back up and give you a little front shot of the new era Road Glide front end fairing. Sporty fender, new wheels, center console. Here's your left controls, right controls, 12.3 TFT, Skyline OS. Swing back here to the redesigned bags for the 2024s, taillights and turn signals. This Billiard Gray Road Glide is here at Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We are located at 1966 Velp Avenue here in Green Bay. Phone number is 920-498-8822.